Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Chevy Impala trunk with a dead battery. First, you'll need to get inside your vehicle. Once you're in, locate the emergency trunk release lever. This is typically found near the driver's seat or on the floorboard. Simply pull this lever, and the trunk should pop open, allowing you to access its contents even without power. If the interior release isn't working or accessible, don't worry. Check your key fob. Sometimes, its trunk release button still functions even if the car battery is dead. Some Impala models also have a hidden manual keyhole, often disguised near the license plate light or under a trim piece. If all else fails, a quick jump start can provide enough power to use the electronic release. To jump start your Impala for trunk access, park a vehicle with a good battery nearby. Connect the red, positive jumper cable to the positive terminal of the good battery, then to the positive terminal of your Impala's battery. Next, connect the black, negative cable to the good battery's negative terminal, and then to an unpainted metal surface on your Impala's engine block, away from the battery. This should provide enough power to open the trunk. Always refer to your Chevy Impala's owner's manual for the most accurate and model-specific instructions, as designs can vary slightly. If you're uncomfortable with any of these steps, especially involving electrical systems, it's always best to contact a professional mechanic or roadside assistance. They can safely open your trunk and diagnose any underlying battery issues. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.